What's the meaning of bulldozer? Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a type of heavy equipment that is commonly used in construction, mining and demolition projects. It is designed to push and move large quantities of earth, rocks and debris from one location to another. With its powerful engine and large blade attached to the front, the bulldozer is capable of clearing land, leveling surfaces, excavating trenches, and performing other tasks that require heavy digging or pushing. In short, a bulldozer is a powerful machine that is essential in various industries where heavy-duty equipment is needed for land clearing and earth-moving operations.